Hello everyone. Today, we will show you how to reset your website's file and folder permissions with the Rescue Site feature of xCloud. Let's get started. First, log in to your xCloud account. From your account's dashboard, navigate to the Sites bar on the top. Click on the site for which you want to reset file and folder permissions from the site list. Now, go to the Site Settings tab in the left side panel. Under the Rescue Site section, toggle to enable Repair Site User, Update Directory Configuration, Regenerate Nginx Configuration and other options. Keeping all these options turned on before moving to the next step is recommended. Then, click on the Run Now button on the right side. In the following confirmation pop-up window, hit the Yes, Run Now button to start the reset. xCloud will then have your site user isolation and permissions updated. To monitor your site logs after the reset, navigate to the Site Monitoring tab from the left side panel. Next, select the Logs option. Choose from multiple log options for WordPress Debug, Nginx, Nginx Access and Nginx Error from the drop-down. After choosing an option, click on the Reload button. That's it. This is how easily you can reset your website's file and folder permissions using xCloud's Rescue Site feature. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest news and trends. Happy hosting!